In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate voice chat on Roblox. If you've ever wanted to interact with your friends in a more dynamic way while playing, getting voice chat enabled is a fantastic option. Let's make this process as smooth as possible. Let's begin with the crucial first step, verifying your age. This is necessary because Roblox only allows voice chat for accounts that are age verified as 13 years or older. To start, log into your Roblox account by visiting roblox.com. Once you're logged in, locate the gear icon. You'll find it in the top right corner of the page. Click on it, then proceed to Settings and select Account Info. Here, under the Birthday section, ensure that your birth date reflects that you are 13 years of age or older. Next, click on Verify My Age. This will direct you to Roblox's identity verification process. Now, here's where it gets interactive. Use your mobile phone to scan the QR code that appears, follow along with the on-screen instructions. You'll be asked to take a photo of a government-issued ID such as a passport or driver's license. Make sure the photo is clear for quick verification. Following this, take a selfie for facial verification. Again, clarity is key to prevent any delays. Once you've completed these steps, the approval typically takes just a few minutes. Once your age is verified, your profile will display an age-verified badge, and then you're ready for the next step. With age verification completed, it's time to enable the voice chat feature. Head back into your account settings, specifically under the Privacy tab. Here, you'll find the voice chat section. To turn on this feature, locate the toggle switch that says Enable Voice Chat and toggle it to the On position. A confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. Simply click Turn On to confirm your selection. Congratulations! Voice chat is now active on your Roblox account. Lastly, let's see how to use voice chat while you're in the game itself. Start by joining a Roblox experience that supports voice chat. You can identify these games by looking for the voice icon next to the game's title. Once you're in a game, you will notice a microphone icon above your avatar's head. When this icon is green, it's sending out your voice to other players. If at any point you wish to mute or unmute yourself, all you have to do is click on the mic icon above your avatar's head. And there you have it. You're now ready to dive into the world of Roblox with voice chat, enhancing your gaming experience by connecting with friends effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy chatting away in your next Roblox adventure.